One Wandering Barstool Brewing on Instagram asked the question: when working with grain, do you use percentages or weight? A lot of the recipes that I discuss on the channel, I might do both. I think sometimes I give the actual weight, and sometimes I give percentages. In my mind, the more universal, usable, functional way to discuss that is actually by percentage. So that way, it doesn't matter if you're brewing 5, 10, 11, 3 gallons or 100 gallons or whatever. Those percentages are going to be the same. So yeah, that's personally what I do when I'm talking about grist. I like talking about percentage with people. When other brewers hit me up with questions about a recipe, I try to give them percentages, because that way it's an easier way of doing that math, right?
All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching. If you feel as if you got any value out of the video, please like and subscribe. There are also other videos that you can watch. They're gonna maybe be over here or over here. Appreciate you watching.